Welcome to today's video. If you use the Band app to stay connected with your groups, protecting your account is very important. Many people often forget to log out on shared or old devices. In this tutorial, I will show you how to log out on all other devices quickly and securely. First, open the Band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. After that, choose the option labeled Account. From here, tap on Change Password. After that, enter your current password and confirm it. While doing this, make sure you check the option that says Log out on all other devices. Finally, tap on OK to save your changes. This will immediately log you out from every other device where your Band account was signed in, ensuring your account remains private and secure. We have learned how to log out from all other devices in the Band app by updating your password and enabling the security option, keeping your account safe and under your control.